All right, third graders, this is lesson 7-12. It's our last one before our math checkup. Okay, you're going to need out a separate sheet of paper, and our math message says, Jules has a stamp collection with 12 stamps. She puts half of her stamps on one page and the other half on another page. How many stamps are on each page? You may use counters or drawings to help, so you can use either strategy. Well, let's figure out what we know. We know there's 12 total, but we know she puts half on one page and the other half on another page. So right now, I'm going to draw two pages, because one on this page and one on the other. If my total is 12, I might say, I know what half of 12 is, and I put half here and half here. Or you could go ahead and you can draw your counters or circles and see how you would split up 12 stamps. Put me on pause and go ahead. Okay, if you're back, this means you have solved how many would go on each page. Well, I'm going to separate them for us. So one strategy could be I could have all 12 counters here, and I could go, oops, I need to be on this one. Oh, I know why. Here we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great. Did I just put an equal amount onto each page? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6 equals our 12. So I know that I've split up half. And I could have done, if I wanted to do another number sentence, I could have said 12 divided by what? Divided by 2. I had 2 pages equals 6 because I know half of 12 is 6. Awesome. Now, this 12 was our whole, but when we think of a whole, maybe we think of a circle and we break it up into thirds like this. Maybe that's one of our things. So we have a new vocab word today, and that is, and you can write this one down, our vocab word is collection. A collection equals a whole when it is a group. Wow, group of items. So our 12 stamps was a collection because it's a whole, but it's a group of items. There was 12 of it to start with. So that is more than one. Like if you think of a whole, like maybe you think of a granola bar as a whole because we can break it up into fractions. So that is our new word, and you're writing that down. Great work. Meet me in Math Journal, page 249.